Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I reused this old, slightly deformed photo canvas and made this totally new geometric design on it. It's pretty easy to do and trust me, anyone can do it. So if you want to know how I did this, then please keep watching. I'm starting by taking out the canvas sheet and I'm going to literally flip it. For this, of course, I started by taking the stapler pins out first. Once all the pins are out and the canvas is free, I hammered the backing of the canvas since it was slightly deformed and checked that its shape is maintained by using a square. Next, I wanted to remove any kind of folds or kinks on this canvas sheet, for which I simply decided to steam iron it. Now, I'm not very sure if this is the recommended way of removing any folds or kinks out of a canvas, but steam ironing it actually helped me a lot. You can of course skip this whole part and jump directly to the painting part if you're using a new canvas, of course, but I was using this old canvas because I had this canvas for some time and I wanted to do something out of it rather than throwing it out, so I decided to do this video and try this geometric pattern on this old canvas. After that, I just stapled the canvas on the wood backing again with the blank part facing out. I do not have a complete recording of the stapling part because I did not realize that my camera battery was dead and it was not recording, but you can always do a Google search on how to staple a canvas sheet on a frame and you will find lots of videos on it, so please try those out. It's pretty basic and very easy to do. But the thing that you have to keep in mind while stapling a canvas is that it needs to be held as tight and taut as possible, or the canvas will sag and it will not look great. Now for the design, I am sticking some masking tape in a triangular form on the canvas, but you can keep it as random as you like. Once done with the tape, choose any colors of your liking. I chose some different shades of blue and green and some gold for my painting. You can check the description box below to know the names of the exact shades that I have used here. Then start painting and try to keep the colors distributed, as in try and avoid putting same colors together. Once done with the painting, leave it to dry thoroughly, and after drying, remove the tape, and trust me, this is the most fun and the satisfying part of the whole process. Of course, some of my colors bled through the tape, but I am going to paint over them so this bleeding will be covered. Now you can either finish by cleaning up the white space by using some white paint, or you can follow what I did. I used some gold paint to fill in the blank space. You can use a masking tape to paint the gold color, but I was feeling lazy, so I just decided to freehand the gold paint by using a square shaped brush. Painting around the corners will take some time, so you want to be patient while doing this step. Try to listen to some good music or listen to a podcast while doing this process. And there you have it. We have successfully managed to reuse an old photo canvas by making the simple geometric design on it. I went in with geometric design specifically because it's pretty easy to do and anyone can try it. You do not have to be an artist or a painter for doing this design. It's very basic and the results are always great. So if you have an old painting which you don't like anymore, or if you have been thinking of getting rid of some old painting, then just flip it and try this geometric pattern on it. Or if you feel a bit more adventurous, then try sculpting on it. If you want to know more about sculpting on canvas, then check out my other video where I sculpted the face of Buddha on a canvas, the link to which you will find in the end. But for now, hope you liked this little flip, and if you did, then show your love by hitting the like button and share your views and feedback in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you guys think of this flip. And if you want to connect with me and my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell to know when I post my future videos. I will talk to you soon with my new DIY project. Till then, please take care and stay safe.